This is our native plant nursery. Typically we get trees and seedlings in. Some of the stuff we order, some of the stuff that we can get to grow ourselves we collect seed source locally here, and we have some seedling beds out here. So the stuff that we get in, as we put it in rows, starts out anywhere from 6 to 18 inches, and we grow it till it gets anywhere from 2 inches in diameter to 4 inches in diameter, and we dig these out ourselves and plant them out in our preserves. So these are used to replace trees that are cut down in our picnic areas, reforestation, any of the wetland mitigation projects, any of that sort of thing. Typically we're averaging about 1,000 a year. We split this, use it in our campground areas for campers. And as we cut the trees down, chip them up, this is our huge pile of mulch here, and that gets reused in beds. We'll wood chip around trees, especially the ones that we've just planted. Wood chipping around trees is going to help keep the moisture in. It insulates the roots in the winter a little bit, keeps things much more healthy. It helps acidify the soil and aerate the soil, so it's just a great thing to do for trees. Girdled the bark around this tree and actually peeled off the bark all the way around the trunk. That's why we have all these suckers growing out of the bottom. If you look up at the top, you can see the tree is very stressed out. That's going to attract the ash borer. If it's in the area, it's probably going to hit a tree that's stressed like this versus a healthy tree like the ones down the road there. So what we do is girdle 2 or 3 of these a year, and then the following year and the year after that we'll strip the bark off of them and look for the larvae inside, because the emerald ash borer, when they do the damage to the trees, they will bore inside the tree and they make a serpentine pattern. So as they come out as adults, they leave a very small hole that's hard to identify. So if we strip the bark using a draw knife, it's a lot easier to find the emerald ash borer in these, because you can see the serpentine tunnels, and a lot of times you find the larvae